That's not how it goes. That's not how it goes. Take another piece.
Boy, I forgot parole. It was too much for your mother. And I told her that even if we told the truth now, the government wouldn't believe us or they'd put us both in jail forever. We were trapped. And your mother felt such guilt. After she took her life, I didn't say anything. It would seem too self-serving.
Another piece, not that piece, Isha. Take another piece.
Do that to you. I couldn't do that.
And that's what Boone found out in China. That's what was in the letter. Your wife was the one.
Yes,
Dad.
it's true, sweetheart. Your mother wasn't a bad person. She did what she did with the best of intentions. But you said he had evidence against you. Or that he was going to put the nail in your coffin. That's what you told me. Because I couldn't tell you the truth about your mother.
Yes, they did.
But if I'd known you go out and do what you did with Mike Adams, me, I thought it was you. You know, after Mike called me out of the blue and the cops...
Take another piece.
No. David, you know me better than that. I would never trade somebody else's life for mine. You don't have to worry at this point. We don't believe either one of you had Boone killed.
Took
Hmm.
Perfect time when the whole family is here to support each other. Isn't that right, Tracy? It's a big blow to you.
Mm-hmm.
And when Boone called you,
That's what you told the police, right? You talked to Boone once on the phone.
No. No, Isha.
Except you
No,
told
not
his
there.
wife he met you face to face.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
you were as pretty as your mother, almost like
What's
sisters.
a little brown hair, Ma?
Tracy, Boone told you. He told you it was your mother, and you panicked. Tracy, don't say anything. You called Mike Adams.
Yeah. I called him.
Not there.
Everything I believed about Mom. That myth that he would destroy her.
It's not there, Isha.
Huh?
Take another piece and try.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
I want this to fit in.
But it does not fit there, baby.
It did.
Isha, stop crying. Take another piece and try. No, no, go there, go there. Do you want to play or not? Mm. No, this goes here. See? Mm,
No,
now play.
no.
Those don't go together. Play.
Those don't go together. Those don't go together. Together, Ma. Those don't go together, Ma. Mommy. Ma. Where does that go, Mommy?
You have to try.
It fits there, Ma. Ma, where does it go, Mommy?
You have to search for it, Isha.
Ma,
Mm-hmm.
is it fit there, Ma?
Do you think it fits there?
Yes. I think so, Mama.
Hmm.
Get yourself the picture.
Isha, sit there.
No, Mommy,
I'm not taking a picture.
Of this.
I'm not taking any picture.